Hello and welcome to my Sunday from. So today is just a easy recipe. So I was hoping you guys would cook along with me, and I'm just warming up tortilla for now, but I'm gonna make some rice and some taco meat and beans. So the first thing, of course, is to get the rice made and the meat made, and I already have the leftover beans. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken on, and I'll just boil this in some water because afterwards I think I might just take it out. I'm gonna toast the rice in this little pan. I'm gonna make just enough for me. You have to stir it a little bit to get it started. I wanted to add some caldo de pollo just to flavor it a little bit, and I wanted to add thyme, so I'm gonna put some in, and I'm also gonna put some turmeric right here. I also have this muminati I want to throw in, and I'll just give that a little stir too. Get them all stirred in there before I cover it, and just let it cook in its own juices. I have this Julio seasoning, and I'm just gonna pour some Julio seasoning in there just to spice it up and give it a lot of flavor. It smells so good. And now that it's toasted, you can put some water in it. And then I'll just add some caldo de pollo. I have this lime pepper seasoning. And I also have some cilantro leaves I will add. Just like that. Give it a good mix. Just like that. So the rice is almost finished, and I just want to mix it up in the water because it needs the water still to boil more. And the chicken looks like it's about ready, so that we can probably work on making the taco meat now. So I'm gonna just take a fork and take the meat off of the chicken, like that, like this. So next I'm gonna put some taco seasoning in here, as well as the meat mixture that I deboned. You can see how I deboned it. And I try to do as much as possible, and then just stir it in to what is turning into sauce, and then you can cover it and let it cook until it's thickened. Okay, so everything looks almost ready, and all we need to do now is beans. So I just have these leftovers, and I think I'm gonna turn them into deep fried beans, just so that way and then you just heat them up until they're soft and squish them down like this, like that, and then keep going. Mix it around, and it still needs to cook out quite a bit. Some people eat it watery, some people eat it like this. Mine, I like them nice and cooked through and thick. So here we have it. Let's get us our beans on the plate. And next we have our rice. And then, of course, we have the taco filling. I'm just gonna give it another toss in the sauce. Make sure it's nice and saucy, and just like that. And here's our taco plate. I think this was a request, so shout out to you. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. I sonde from. Bye bye.